Right, another solar iBoost. This one was from someone local that they've dropped in. Apparently it works, but it heats all the time or something. Doesn't turn off. I think it's probably the MOSFET IGBT thing on the other side of there by the look of that. So I've just taken some readings, and a lot of these, I think those two are short, or those three are short, which is not a good sign. And then one of the diode legs is short as well, which is a bit weird. So, and then I don't know how healthy that diode looks either. What the hell's going on here? I don't know what the hell that is. That's not normal. But there appears to be a wire connected to the bottom of this. It's weird. Well, this is like some kind of other revision that I've not seen before. Because they appear to be like thermal sensors. And that looks like a bit of a ghetto last minute like kind of mod that they've put on them. Look. How bizarre. It's going to be a first. Right, so if I probe across those two there, I'm getting a short in both directions, and that diode looks very unhealthy. So I think that diode's gone, and it's possible it's gone because of that's gone. That's shorted on one leg, but that might just literally because it's connected to one of these. So I think we'll take the diode off and then see if the short goes away, but I think it's probably that's died on it. Yeah, that's interesting. So I cut the leg off it, so I've got loads of these diodes anyway, and then testing it, and it's showing OL in both directions on the diode. So the short is coming from that basically on the other side. So if we replace that and replace the diode, then we should be hunky-dory then. So I've ordered the IGBT in. I've got one of the diodes in already, so literally just going to wait now for them to be delivered and we can get this sorted hopefully. So I've just cut that off. I was getting the short on one of these legs for this diode here, and that has now gone away, so it is definitely that's causing it. So change that, change the diode, should then work. Right, we have parts from Mouser for this, so let's get it sorted. So that diode's been replaced, and also that component there's all been done, IGBT. So yeah, that should work now. So I'm just going to put the thermal compound back on it and put it back together, and so we should be good to go. There we go, all back together. So get the customers to come pick it up now. Job done.